So I'm sitting at home watching the game, San Francisco, Atlanta. San Francisco 28, Atlanta 24. Pretty good game. And in the meantime, I need to fix my camera. My regular housing, the one I use for snowboarding, the waterproof one and everything, it got a scratch on the lens here. And as small as it is, it shows up really big on my camera. So I'm going to need to change this out. It's happened before. The lens caps come with protective wrapping. And you get two of them. You get two caps and two of the rings, some screws, and a little screwdriver. I misplaced the screwdriver last time I changed them, so I'm going to use my own screwdriver. Start out with a little tiny Phillips screwdriver and take the screws out. Once you've loosened all 6 screws, just take it off and set it to the side. I'm just to pop that lens off, I just push it out like that. As you can see, they're different. So it have one direction, and you want to be careful to notice how it's put on the first time. The beveled side apparently just sets into place. Make sure there's no debris in there. Set the lens right down into the spot. And screw in your screws. Once you get them all tight, go back around and tighten them one more time.
Submerge water test. Okay, that's it. Really quick, simple fix, and now I'll be able to get good clear shots. It's a bummer when you scratch your lens, especially when you're on a trip, so it's a good idea to purchase a few spare lenses and bring them along with you.